Hey doodlers, I'm Doodle Dog. Grab a pencil and let's draw together. Today we're going to draw a capybara. Let's doodle! Okay, let's start up here at the top of the page and we're going to draw the top of the head first. And we're going to do a curved line across the top, like this. And stop right about there. Now let's draw one of the ears. Over like this. It's an arching line up and over. Up and over. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. Now let's go back over here and draw the other ear. Another curved line up and over. Up and over like that. Now we're going to draw the sides of the capybara's head. So we'll start here. Let's leave a little space where the ear lines are going to be. And we're going to draw the side of the head down like this. So starting here, I'm going to do a curved line that goes down and then back out and then in like that. And let's do the other side. So starting here in the middle of the ear, a line down like this, a curved line. And we're going to stop right about here. So curved line down like that. And this is a furry capybara, so let's do some fur lines here. These are going to be like overlapping hook lines. So here, right here, a little hook line like that. And then one like this. And then one like this. Okay, let's go back up to the ears and draw some interior ear lines here to show, you know, where he hears things from. So right here, a little line like that, and then a little line like that. And let's do the same on this side. A little line like that, and a little line like that. Okay, now let's draw the nose. So it's an oval shape right in the middle of the head, right about here. So starting up here, let's draw an oval shape. And now let's color that in. Black. Okay, now let's draw the mouth attached to that. This is the muzzle of the capybara. They have kind of a long snout. So we're going to do a line down and it's going to hook back up. So just a line down. And then at the end of that line, we're going to do a curved kind of U-shaped line. It's a smiling capybara. And let's do that on the other side too. Like that. Now I'm going to draw a little muzzle line on top here because they have a long nose. So this helps define that they have a long nose like that. Okay, let's draw the eyes now. So over here on this side of the head, let's draw an oval. And let's do one over on this side too. And now inside those circle oval shapes, we're going to do highlights, little circles. So a little smaller circle inside of that bigger circle. And we'll do the same on this side. Smaller circle inside the bigger circle. Now let's color those eyes in black. Okay, now let's do the body of the capybara. So starting over here on this side of the head, we're going to draw the chest down like this and draw some fur lines. So first you start here and you do a curved line down and hook it back up like that. And then we'll do an overlapping line that hooks back up as well. That, and one more like that. Just a little line at the end there. And now let's draw the front leg of the capybara down like this. So this is a curved line down here like this. Like that. And the paw here is going to be curved lines, one that stops like that. And then another one. And then we're going to go back up like that. Let's draw some toes. Little toe lines here like that. And then here, this is the belly between the legs. So we're going to do a little line like that. And now we'll intersect it with a straight line here. So we'll go up like this, and then down for the other toes. Little lines like this. Let's draw those toe lines. That. And let's finish off this other front leg with a curved line up like this. Just a slightly curved line. Now let's do the other little belly line here. And this is going to be the start of the back leg all the way up to the back of the body. So here we'll do a little curved line and a curved line and a curved line for the foot. And then off this side, let's draw a big long curved line up for the back of the body. Nice and slow. Like that. Let's finish off the back feet. So right here where we started that back of the body line, we're going to do a little line that goes up like this and over for the top of the back foot. And let's finish off those toes with little lines inside. Like that. And now let's go over to this side over here and do the other back foot. So it's just a big C-shaped line like that and some toe lines inside. And now let's do a tail on the back. So we're going to do, starting over here, we're going to do a little loop curve line like this off the back. And another curve line like that. And then another one back like that. All right, we're almost there. I think I want to put a couple of little whiskers to make them extra cute. And then maybe here and then there. I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in. So grab your markers, colored pencils or crayons, and let's do it. I'm gonna make mine brown, but you can make your capybara any color you want. Remember to always sign your doodle. Wow! Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye!